Speech. There are two ways of reporting what a person has said. We may quote his actual words. This is called direct speech. For example, he said, "I am busy now." We may report what he said without quoting his exact words. This is called indirect speech or reporting speech. He said that he was busy then. One more example. He said, "I am busy now." In reported speech, the sentence will be written as like this. He said that he was busy then. While changing the sentence from direct speech to indirect speech, some kinds of rules to be followed. First of all, remove all commas, quotation marks and write like an assertive sentence, which starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. For example, he said, "I am fine." While changing into reported speech, remove the comma, quotation mark and write like this. He said that he was fine. Secondly, all pronouns which are in first person, that mean I, we, or second person, you, change into third person, he, she, it, they. For example, he said, "I am fine." In reported speech, we write like this. He said that he was fine. Here, I in first person changed into third person he. When changing the sentence in direct speech into indirect speech or reported speech, the rules of the sequence of tenses are followed. Rule 1. If the reporting verb is in the present tense or in the future, the tense of the verb in the reported speech will not change at all. For example, he says, "I am ready." Here the reporting verb says is in simple present tense. So there is no change in the verb. Only we change the pronouns. He says that he is ready. Next, he will say, "I am ready." Here the reporting verb is in simple future. So we write the sentence in reported speech like this. He will say that he is ready. Rule 2. If the reporting verb is in past tense, the tense of the verb in the indirect speech changes as follows. Simple present tense changes into simple past. Present continuous changes into past continuous. Present perfect into past perfect. Simple past into past perfect. Past continuous into past perfect continuous. Can, will, shall, may changes into could, would, should, might. This, that, these, those, here, there, ago, before, now, then, today, that day, yesterday, the previous day or the day before, tomorrow, the following day or the next day, last night, the previous night. Assertive sentences. Now I teach about the assertive sentences, how they change into reported speech. When we report a statement, the reported clause usually begins with the word that. It is used after reporting verb. The reporting verb changes as follows. Said to said that. Said to changes into told plus object plus that. For example, Ram said, "I shall solve this problem." In reported speech, we write like this. Ram said that he would solve that problem. Some more examples are as follows. Srinu said, I am calling from Guntur. Srinu said that he was calling from Guntur. I call it my chicken drumstick, joked Nick. Nick joked that he called it his chicken drumstick. She was amazing, said Nick. Nick said that she had been amazing. Ravi said, I completed my homework. Ravi said that he had completed his homework. She said to Rama, I have paid the fee. She told Rama that she had paid the fee. Murthy said, I have passed the exam. Murthy said that he had passed the exam. He said, I did not have much to carry by way of luggage. He said that he hadn't had much to carry by way of luggage. Nilima said, my new job is very interesting. Nilima said that her new job was very interesting. Ram said to Sita, I am feeling well. Ram told Sita that he was feeling well. Some more examples. Indians will build their own India, declared Gandhiji. Gandhiji declared that Indians would build their own India. I filled the slot, he said. He said that he had filled the slot. Lata said to Rita, I can speak English well. Lata told Rita that she could speak English well. The teacher said to the students, Mr. Rao will take the class in my absence. The teacher told the students that Mr. Rao would take the class in her absence. Kiran said to his friends, we shall go to a picnic on next Sunday. Kiran told his friends that they would go to a picnic on coming Sunday. Rehan said, I had a red colored car. Rehan said that he had had a red colored car. She said to the teacher, I want to be the monitor of the class. She told the teacher that she wanted to be the monitor of the class.